you can speak confidently, but what makes you think that you are beautiful and you can be a part of this competition? What makes you think? So she simply said, I am a creation of God. And God said that I am beautiful. And God cannot make anything ugly. So if God cannot make anything ugly, that means I am beautiful. And I am proud to be a black, an African, without hair, and I am proud to be. And she was a third runner-up. It's a big thing. Third runner-up. So whoever you are, whatever you are, just accept it. Because this is a very important thing to accept. Once you accept it, you can change it. If you can't accept, you can't change. Alright? So what is the first step? What is the first step? What is the first step? What is the second step? What is the third step? Are you ready for it?
Yes.
करोगे ये? See, you will not do it for me. मेरा आधे घंटे का सेशन है, मैं यहाँ से करूँगी, I'll have lunch with all of you. I guess you all had your lunch. I'll have lunch with a couple of people, and I'll go back home. I'll sleep. I'll get up. I'll do my shows. I'll be okay. I'll go ahead in my life. But you are the next generation. I am also the part of the next generation. I'm not that old, but we are the next generation. So we need to be very clear about our goals. We need to be very clear. But what are our goals? अभी तक आपके goals कहाँ base करते हैं? Why do you want to be a very good businessman? Because you have seen somebody earning too much. Because you have seen somebody earning too much. That's why you want to be a good big businessman. Why? Or a businesswoman. You want to be a IT profession. Why? 3 days back, a lady came to me with her kid. The girl was only 7 years old. और वो कह रही थी, वालदा उसकी कह रही थी मुझसे, and it was seriously a heartbreaking situation at that time. She said, she was very good in drawing. She came to me, for consultation, and her kid was amazing. She could draw very well, and she wanted to be the youngest IT professional, youngest Microsoft professional in the world. Now you tell me why? Because Arfa was. She just wanted her to be like that, and she was pressurizing her. And then she wanted me to do something with her so that she could, be the youngest Microsoft professional in the world. Why? You can be yourself, and you can be, the first person. हम हमेशा चाहते हैं हम दुनिया में सबसे पहले जीत जाएं, दुनिया में सबसे पहले Microsoft professional बन जाएं. Why? If you be yourself, you are the only one. So there is no race. There is no first, there is no last. When there is no first, there is no last. There is no competition as such. So just be yourself, because if you be yourself, then there is no jealousy. There is no hatred. There is no fight. Nobody will try to take your share. Nobody will do anything wrong with you, because everybody is being themselves. So, आप लोग बनोगे अपने self. Will you go ahead home, choose yourself? Is it very difficult to choose yourself? If I ask you, अगर मैंने आपको बताया you can become a possibility, is it very difficult to choose a possibility in your life? Is it? Yeah, you are very much influenced by the environment. Are you? What? Anybody can raise their hand and say something. Somebody can be a representative. Anybody who wants to say something about it. Is it very difficult to be? Yeah, can you please give her a mic? Is it very difficult to be ourselves, oneself? Is because we are very influenced by our people, or it's very easy to be oneself?
It's not that easy to choose right here, right now, what I want to be. I want to be a winner in everything I do. I want to be the best at everything I do. But it's not that easy to choose right now.
It's not that easy to choose, right? It's not really easy, right?
Yeah, the options are like too diverse. We have the whole panorama in front of us.
What is option for you, if I ask you? What do you call an option?
What I want to be, where to narrow it down, where to go, where to look. No idea right now. I just want to be a winner at whatever I do.
Winner. You want to be a winner. So you have already chosen yourself. You want to be a possibility of win. You are a winner. You want to be a possibility who wins all the time. Why do you see the whole idea of what I was trying to deliver right now? Why do you need the tags? Why? You want to be a winner. So So win. If you defeat, take it as an experience. And then again try to win.
I'll try again and convert it to win.
Again, you will try. You will take it as an experience, right?
Yeah.
A defeat cannot finish a possibility. So whatever you want to be, it's very easy to choose in fact. And it is not influenced by any of the environment. We are the one who be, polite and who wants to be influenced because it's very easy. It's very easy to be someone. It's very easy to follow someone's step than to create new. So whatever, my time is finished. I think I only have 3 to 4 minutes left. So maybe in this, next time I'll see you. But what? Thank you so much. Next time I'll see you. Before finishing, I just want one thing. I just want one promise. I would say, because I know for sure that इधर से 30 to 40% या 50% लोगों से मैं आने वाले future में मिलने वाला हूँ. Or we will meet, or you will see me somewhere. But I want you to be yourself at that time. Take care.
Thank you so much. For you. Somebody come and present Miss Rucha, please. Just Mr. Rucha is right.
Sorry, it's okay.
Excitement. Let's give her a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Can you take another picture, please? Wow, thank you.